Honda CB600F HORNET. Best motorcycle review. Perfect engine in the Honda CBR600F, 1998 to 2006. Honda already had the perfect engine in the Honda CBR600F, therefore it was a no-brainer to place it in a lovely, uncluttered chassis to compete in the ever-growing middleweight category. The Honda Hornet with its high, side-mounted exhaust and dashes of flair hit the nail on the head first time out. It was almost the perfect all-round naked, though racers hated its 16-inch front tire, and even has its own one-make race series, which ran nationally and even supported the British GP back in 1999. The secret to the Hornet's success was that it appealed to a wide audience. Racers loved the fact it was easy to set up, had a fun engine, and was cheap to run. New riders found it easy to ride and unintimidating, stable and predictable. Europeans loved its style, it made Suzuki's Bandit feel bland, and the Hornet remains hugely popular on the continent. Ride quality and brakes. Mad thrash or gentle cruise, the CB600F HORNET copes with both without breaking a sweat. Handling is sweet, although pre-2000 motorcycles had a 16-inch front wheel, which feels odd. Ultimately, the suspension is budget, even the USD forks are more fashion than function, but it'll take a fast-track day for most bikers to fault it. Aftermarket brake pads increase bite. Engine. Plenty of power and excellent reliability from the Honda CB600F's inline-4. It's the same as used in mid-90s CBR600F with carbs, not fuel injection. The Honda CB600F HORNET does need revving hard if you want to use all the power, but it's gentle in town with a light clutch. Camchain tensioner failure is the motorcycle's only weakness. Reliability and build quality. The Honda CB600F HORNET shrugs off miles, including winter ones, better than most Japanese bikes. The bottom yoke will corrode, plus the stainless steel downpipes discolor, but otherwise the finish is quite tough. Road salt and infrequent washing will still cause heavy corrosion though. Reliability is superb. Honda's regular problems, regulator/rectifier plus camchain tensioners, are the only gripes. Value versus rivals. The Honda CB600F HORNET was released as the middleweight naked sector took off, which means it generated lots of sales but also had lots of competition. The Yamaha FZ6 was better equipped and available with a fairing, while Kawasaki's Z750 had more poke. If you're in the market for a fun middleweight of this era, you can't rule out the less powerful Suzuki GSF 600 Bandit either. Equipment. The Honda CB600F HORNET's comfort is okay for an unfaired motorcycle. The Honda CB600F seat is not the comfiest ever, but it is acceptable. Pillion accommodation is mediocre. Budget motorcycle means budget equipment levels. The CB600F HORNET comes with few bells and whistles, but it doesn't really need them. The high-level exhaust gets in the way if you want to use soft panniers, which can be a pain. Specs. Engine size 599 cubic centimeters. Engine type 16V inline 4, 6 gears. Frame type steel spine. Fuel capacity 17 liters. Seat height 790 millimeters. Bike weight 179 kilograms. Front suspension preload. Rear suspension preload. Front brake twin 296 millimeters discs. Rear brake 220 mm disc. Front tire size 120/70x17. Rear tire size 180/55x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 41 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £73. Annual service cost £150. New price. Used price £2,300 to £4,000. Insurance group 12 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 97 brake horsepower. Max torque 47 ft-lb. Top speed 140 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration 11.7 seconds. Tank range 150 miles.